America, a country that we often think about after seeing it in movies, scrolling through social media, and hearing stories. Wow, the lifestyle here is so different. But the lifestyle in America is not just about tall buildings, luxury cars, fast food, and nightlife. There is a whole mindset behind it, a complete way of living. When you hear about it, you might find yourself thinking, are we living our lives the right way? The American lifestyle starts with one thing: independence. Here, people learn to do things for themselves from a very young age. Whether it's an 18-year-old boy or girl cleaning their room, paying their bills, working part-time, managing their tuition, it's all their responsibility. And perhaps that's why the confidence of people living in America, their personality, their individuality, is completely different. If you pay attention, people in America wake up early in the morning. Their day starts with a coffee. And coffee is not just a drink for them. It's a ritual, a break, a moment where they connect with themselves. Then the race begins. Cars speeding on highways, people hustling between office buildings, a focus on everyone's face. It seems like everyone in America is chasing some goal. Time here is very priceless. If you're late, people will judge you. If you're slow at work, the system will leave you behind. But amidst this hustle, one thing is very strong in America: privacy. People do not interfere in each other's lives. No one asks, when will you get married? How much do you earn? When will you have kids? Your personal space remains personal. And the other aspect of lifestyle begins in the evening, when people go for walks with their pets, work out in the gym, or sit in their lawns enjoying dinner. People in America do not forget to give time to themselves, whether it's mental health, physical health, or just taking some time for themselves. It's part of their culture. As soon as the weekend arrives, all of America slows down. Family barbecues, beaches, hiking, long drives. People take a break from their busy lives to spend time in nature. Work is important to them, but life is even more important. And one thing that many people may not know: people in America continuously upgrade their skills. Whether they are 40 years old or 60 years old, new courses, certifications, new technologies. Learning never stops. Perhaps that's why America is one of the most dynamic economies in the world. But every lifestyle has two sides. America is no different. Behind the tall buildings lies loneliness. Behind independent life is self-pressure, and behind freedom is a silent struggle. People in America may seem to smile, but not every smile is filled with happiness. Many people struggle with burnout, stress, and loneliness. Everything here comes with a bill. Your health, your lifestyle, your dreams, everything has a price. Still, when you see America up close, one thing becomes clear. The people here are dreamers. They take action, and they design their lives, not just survive. In the evening, when the sun hides behind the buildings of New York, or when a gentle, cool breeze blows on the beaches of California, it feels like no matter how fast the lifestyle is, America's charm is on a whole different level. And perhaps that's why everyone thinks at least once in their life, I wish I could go to America and see how different living a lifestyle can be. This is not just a lifestyle of one country. It is a thought, an energy, a mindset that somehow inspires people all over the world. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only, for the students who want to improve your English. It has nothing to do with reality. Hey, if you like this story, please share it with your friends and family. Give it a like and a loving thumbs up. And also subscribe to our channel.